The good. The LG C7 is tied with other 2017 ALDs as the best performing TV we've tested to date. It delivers perfect black levels, wide viewing angles, accurate color and a great bright room picture. It's compatible with both major HDR formats, and HDR image quality is better than last year. Its striking design features a super slim panel. The bad. The less expensive LG OLED7P has the same image quality. The bottom line. The LG C7 is the best overall TV we've ever tested, but the nearly identical B7A is a superior value. The LG C7 has the best image quality I've ever tested. It performs just as well as the more expensive LG E7 and Sony's XPR1E OLED TVs, and better than any LCD based TVs I've seen, including Samsung's new QLED based Q7 model. But if you're in the market for a high-end TV, the B7A, which I did not review, is a better value. It offers the same image quality as the C7 and costs less. How much less? Exactly. Depends on when you read this. During LG's Black Friday sale, the B7A was $200 and $400 less for the 55 and 65 inch sizes, respectively. But a day after the sale ended, the difference was just $100 for both sizes. Aside from price, the only differences between the two are cosmetic, different stands, and audio related. The B7A lacks Dolby Atmos decoding and has a different speaker configuration. I don't think those features on the C7 are worth the extra money to most buyers, even if it's just $100 more. Check out my full review of the LG B7A for more details.